Dear guys, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 3-star property. In this property, one type of room is available on agoda.com. You can book online and enjoy it. To see more than 100 of reviews of this property, you can go to agoda.com. Its review rating is 8.9. Check-in time in this property is 12 p.m. Check-out time of this property is 12 p.m. If you have stayed in this property, please share your experience in the comment box. For 100 more details about this property, please check in the description box. If you have any problem booking a room in this property, then you can drop a comment and we will help you. If you are new to this channel and subscribe yet, then this is kind of our channel right now, which is icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming property. For watching the entire video, dear friends, meet again in a new video with a new property.